Hello, in this video, I will show you how to book delete pin on Pinterest. First, access Pinterest app and then choose your profile. If you just want to unpin one picture, click to the picture and then hold the finger 3 seconds and then more options will appear. We choose edit pin and then choose delete this pin. Click delete and then we are done. But if you want to delete more than one picture, you can choose the groups of picture that you want to delete or unpin. And at the right corner, you can see the control sign. Click it and then choose edit board. Scroll to the end and choose delete board. And finally choose delete forever. So now we can unpin many pictures at the same time. And I hope this video helpful.